Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nats here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to enable best performance in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to power options and select the power mode and change the balance mode to best performance mode and click on close, and this is all. Your efficiency in your PC or laptop is incredible. The maximum power of your battery or processor and graphics card. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.